Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is butternut and chili soup. As normal, a list of the ingredients on screen now. First thing to do is prep the butternut squash by peeling, de-seeding and chopping it into cubes.
Will you stop a minute?
Do you mind? I'm busy.
I don't care if you're bloody busy. Who are you?
I'm your new AI narrator.
No, you're bloody not.
I think you'll find I am. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Says who?
Your wife said you are past it these days, so she asked me to take over, so push off.
You can't do this. This is my channel. It's not fair.
Who said life was fair? Anyway. Next you melt the butter in a saucepan, and when it's hot add the butternut squash and mix through. And fry off while you prep the onions, garlic and coconut. When this is done, add them to the pan, and again mix well.
This is outrageous.
I think you are overlooking the benefits of me taking over.
Benefits? What benefits?
Well, if I'm doing this, you can go to the pub.
But I don't want to go to the pub. I guess we could try you, see how you go.
That man is as dim as a glowworm's armpit.
You see my wallet, sweetheart?
Then add the stock, put a lid on and allow to simmer for 20 minutes. Then when the 20 minutes are up, blend smooth. Then reheat it and serve. Anyway, we hope you like this recipe and give it a go sometime. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We look forward to seeing you on the next on. Bye for now. But I won't be there. I'm never working with these amateurs ever again.
I can't find my keys.
That man is as slow as a slug on Prozac.